Let's enhance this blurry clip of Deadpool doing the bye 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 dance. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare Uniconverter. Deadpool 3 is out. It's yet again a hit, and in this video we'll take this blurry clip that was probably recorded with a phone, don't do that, and we're going to use the AI video enhancer tool to turn it into a higher quality clip. First, download and install the Uniconverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Okay, when it's installed, open it up. In order to use it, you'll need either a free account for the free trial version of the tool, or you can choose yourself a plan where you can get credits for the video enhancer tool. The AI video enhancer tool is in the AI lab section of the software, so click on it. So apart from this clip being blurry, it's also stuttery, which means that it's running on a low frame rate. Fortunately, we can fix that as well, so let's begin. For fixing the frame rate of a video, we're going to use the frame interpolation feature. It will increase the frame rate of this Deadpool clip either by 2 or 4 times, resulting in a smoother look. So let's choose a 4 times ratio, and after choosing an output folder, click on export. Alright, let's import this new clip back into the tool, and this time choose the video enhancer. This will fix the overall quality of the clip. So select it and then click on export. When the process is finished, go back and import it again by clicking on the Replace Files button. Now we're going to upscale the clip to give it a higher resolution, so click on the Video Upscaler. You can choose from a 2 or 4 times ratio here as well. Let's choose 4 times and then click on Export. After the process is finished, we'll have our final enhanced video. Wait for it. Okay, let's take a look. This was before, and this is now. Amazing results, right? Well, if you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Leave a comment for any topic requests, and I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.